recovery operation. It's Wednesday the 21st of February 2018. We took a call last night from a customer, quite distressed, had one of his utility vehicles stolen from his yard, his works yard. It's a compact utility vehicle from America, a Boxer 950 HD. Quite a nice machine in that it can be operated by remote control or with a man driving it. Now they're around about 25 to 35,000 pounds, and this one's only a few months old, so he's obviously very keen to get it back. We sent a signal to alarm the Automatrix M-Track unit. That should pick up around about 8:05 this morning. The Boxer utility vehicle was stolen from just north of Maidstone on M26 area, and we're expecting it not to have travelled too far. So we're making an early start to head up to be at this location for 8:05, the theft location, for when the tracking unit connects, so that we're there on site ready to do a radio recovery find. I mean, this machine is quite small. It could go in the back of a Mercedes Sprinter or a transit van. Chances are we will have to do an RF find rather than just go to a GPS position like in the woods or something like that, but we're not sure. So we're going to meet the customer actually this morning, quite unusual, but he's requested that he comes along this morning on this operation, so we'll pick up with him a bit later on. Okay, so it's coming up to 5 to 8. Just make sure everything comes into alarm okay. Great news, the unit's connected okay. Hasn't travelled far, we didn't think it would do. You see there, it looks that blue dot, Ridge Lane, and there's some wasteland there, so we're going to have to take the RF there to that location. So just a few minutes around here we'll be with the customer, and then we'll head off for that GPS position at Ridge Lane. Okay, so we've met up with the customer. He's just ahead of us in this Land Rover here, and we've given him the postcode. He's heading to that location. We'll follow him and we'll have the RF turned on. Okay, we've got the RF receiver turned on, nothing picked up yet. We're just going down some obviously very narrow rural location to where this GPS is coming from. I can actually hear the RF being picked up now. So we've got faint RF in the background. We are really going down a rural location here. So we're homing in on this RF signal. It's getting quite loud. It's getting louder at this location. There's a machine on a trailer down there, and that looks like it's the Boxer. So we're just going to go down with the RF anyway, and then I'll turn the RF off. So this looks like, yeah, pretty rural location. And it's on a trailer. No doubt that trailer's been stolen as well, probably. But that's the machine we want. That's the Boxer. Right, so that's a cracking job. 950. They've left a few tools lying around. Maybe able to get some DNA evidence off of there. Maybe able to get fingerprints off of there. You can turn the RF off now. That was basically from the GPS we got that location, so that was very easy. Definitely a nice little hidey hole here though, not overlooked or anything, so yep. You wouldn't believe that machine, 20-30 grand. Incredible. And the road's back up that way, so customer's up there. He's just phoning the police now, so he'll be happy. What's that you're saying?
But yeah, the generator's missing. And the attachments. Yeah.
What attachments did you have then?
The
the bucket on the...
Yeah, and the auger.
Oh, an auger as well, yeah. So all these sockets and all this little stuff, it's all yours, is it? You're nice and tired. You put stuff away when you finish at night, then, don't you?
That was a brand new
little impact gun, wasn't it?
impact gun what come with a generator.
there are some bits missing that have also been taken, smaller items, an auger and a small bucket attachment that goes on, so they're missing. But yeah, the trailer is actually the customer's as well, so they actually use that trailer in the theft. But yeah, that's a nice early morning recovery. Literally 20 minutes after it was in alarm, we're here. I was just leaving this pretty tranquil, nice location. The police will be here shortly. The customer's there with a colleague. They're just going to drive that out. The police don't turn up within the next few minutes, they just drive it out. But we can leave. That's he's happy. £37,000 worth and the trailer. But they've lost the attachments, it looks like. But they've got the main boxer. That's all good. Brilliant. See you guys. Okay, so yeah, we're on our way back from this boxer utility vehicle recovery. It was really quick and no problem at all. Not hidden inside a van, just out in the open, so that was great. I've just called the customer. He's confirmed the police turned up about 35 minutes after we left site and they're investigating the area. They will make a note of that location now, just in case any other equipment gets stolen in that area. All good. What I didn't realise was that I know that machine was quite new, 3 or 4 months old, but the customer did say that the previous machine had been stolen and not recovered along with other equipment. So that had cost him £60,000 in loss. So obviously that was one of the reasons he searched out and looked for us on the internet and found Automatrix to protect his equipment. Right, so that's Automated Centrac, cracking.